sometimes it might seem a little bit scary to go out exploring nature when it's dark outside. You might hear things and maybe start to imagine some scary things that maybe don't even exist. But there's also a lot of really, really cool things that come out at night for you to explore. So you can see possibly owls or frogs, even some of our nocturnal mammals. So getting out in nature is actually really, really neat, and you can see things that are totally different than what you might see during the day. And so in your kit, one of the tools that you received to explore with is a flashlight. And so you can use this flashlight when you go out exploring at night, and this flashlight is also really great for looking for frogs. So if you come out at night, a great way to try to see where a frog is, if you want to try to get a closer look, is to use your flashlight. Because the flashlight, when you shine it, will make their eyes glow. So you'll be able to find them along the edges of the water. And also, if you want to try to catch one of the frogs and pick them up, first you want to get your hands wet, but if you hold the flashlight towards their eyes, it'll kind of keep them there for a minute and give you a second to try to catch them. So this is your tool for exploring nighttime.